Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your from your iPhone on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Huawei Health application to send the notifications to your smart band. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, and once you find it, tap on it. In Bluetooth, you should see the list of My Devices, and on this list you should see Huawei Band 9. If you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, and here you should see this option called Share System Notifications. And there is a case that you might not see this option, and if you don't see it, close the settings for now. Let's open the Huawei Health application. In the app, tap on Devices, select your Huawei Band 9 from the list of devices. I'm gonna allow the permission for now. Don't show for now. Okay, and once you on the device page for your Huawei Band 9 and it says connected, scroll down, tap on notifications and turn on the notifications for now. And once you turn them on, wait for a couple of seconds and you should receive the pop-up about the permissions. Once you see the pop-up, allow the required permissions and then close the app for now and then go back to settings, Bluetooth, Huawei Band 9, tap info icon next to it and make sure that the share system option is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Huawei Health application on the list of apps, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, close the settings. Now we can open the Huawei Health app again. In the app we can tap on devices, select our Huawei Band 9, wait until it's connected, then tap on notifications. Oh, my bad. Let's go back. Hello. Okay. Let's go back, tap on notifications, turn on the notifications, and once you turn them on, you will see the list of apps you can enable the notifications for. And as you can see on the iPhone, we have only a couple of them, but you have this option called Other. If you enable this option, it will enable notifications for every application on your iPhone that is not on this list. So once you enable it, you can go back and you should be able to receive the notifications at this point. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone. Let's check our smart band. And it is here. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.